Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Crafts. Lauren here. In today's video, I'm showing you one of my favorite ways to use sunflower granny square, turning them into this beautiful cardigan. If you have already watched my tutorial on how to crochet the sunflower square, this is the perfect next step to bring those pieces together into something wearable and fun. In this video, we're going to need 54 squares. And we are going to take 20 squares from those 54 squares and line them up 5 by 4 squares. So just like what you're seeing there, and we're going to join them together using slip stitches. And I'm going to show you how. We're going to start with our squares upside down, which means we're going to be working on the wrong side. So go ahead and do that, and we'll be talking as I am crocheting, sort of like crocheting together. Talk about the sunflower granny square, because as you all know, it became really popular in the 1970s during the flower power peace movement. People were using crochet to express joy and creativity, and sunflowers, as you all know, symbolizes happiness, warmth, and strength. I love that this one square brings so much character to a cardigan. It's not just about colors, it's about wearing something handmade that gives off positive energy. Okay, back to what I'm doing. I forgot to mention that you can use your hook and do slip stitches to join the squares, or you can use a yarn needle. I prefer yarn needle, so we'll be going through the back loops only. So the square that is close to you, you go underneath the stitch that is close to you, and the square that is far from you, you will go to the stitch that is far from you. I hope I'm making sense. And then you join. So we're going through back loops only, and this is going to be our back panel, and I'm doing size small to medium. There are so many ways to use sunflower granny squares, not just cardigans, but you can make croc tops, blankets, bags, pillow covers, or even bucket hats if you're feeling playful. But for this video, I'm showing you how I join the squares for this relaxed boho-style cardigan. It's perfect for spring, summer, or even layering in winter. When you're done with the back panel, we'll move on to the two front panels. So we are going to need two 2 by 4 squares, and we're going to join the same way with the hook or with the yarn needle, back loops only. When you're done with the front panels, we set them aside. Now we're going to move on to our sleeves. For our sleeves, we are going to need two 3 by 3 squares. So when you're done with your pieces, this is how you're going to join them. So right now I just pinned them down, and I'm going to show you how to join the sleeves, because the sleeves are a little bit tricky. So where you see I marked there, in the middle of where I marked, that's where you're going to join your sleeves, leaving the two sides without being joined. And you're going to join your front panels and your back panels, and on the other side of the sleeve you do the same, and this is what you are going to end up with. Next, we're going to do the ribbing, and it's very simple. Starting with 11 chains, and I'm going to slip stitch into the second chain from the hook, and I'll slip stitch down, and then I'll chain 1 and turn my work, slip stitch back loops only. and you're going to join the ribbing, doing slip stitches on the bottom of the cardigan and the sleeves and the front, just like we were joining our squares. And there you go, a beautiful sunflower cardigan from simple granny squares. And I hope this gives you some ideas for your own crochet project. If you like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be posting more creative ways to use granny squares soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and remember, every square is a piece of sunshine.